Natty Boosters. It is January 7th, day before I go back to school, which when this video is uploaded, it's gonna be today. Always hope all y'all are drinking lots of water, staying hydrated, eating your fruits and vegetables, drinking lots of water. Let's see what my grandma's doing. Ma! Hey!
Ay.
Come out! Yeah. Do you have anything to say to the Natty Boosters in English?
No.
In English.
Natty Booster, I love you. You're my right hand. Thank you, Lord. Pues no me andes diciendo, ya sácate la chingada. Natty Boo is my right hand.
Translator for YouTube. Was that me or I just heard a button that went? What is that noise? Right now I'm in her closet and I just heard beep beep beep. Grandma, what was that noise? El beep beep beep. Ah! Where did she go? Oh, hell nah, of course. I wasn't trying to investigate what that noise was, but I guess we'll find out. Let's see. Oh, now it doesn't want to make the beeping noise. Come on now. Grandma, do you have a ghost in your closet? See? Oh, she said it was. Wait. My God. I'm just going to wait here till I hear the beeping noise again. Maybe if I turn the lights off. Hold on. So, still behind me. Shut the cameras off, shut the cameras off. I'm not about to go ever in my grandma's closet. The only reason why I was in there in the first place is because my grandma was in there and I was just wondering what she was doing. But I'm not gonna go in there again. What do you have in your closet? I was back and forth because I don't want to know. I'm not gonna go back in there and check what it is. First of all, that little beeping noise and all that stuff that just happened in the past like 20 seconds was unintentional. So you already know I'm not gonna go back in there because I'm not gonna check what it is. Okay, maybe I might, just for the Natty Boosters. No, I'm about to go in there again just to check what it was because the Natty Boosters want to know what it is. So I'm gonna do it just for them. What the freak? I threw the lights up to see what was gonna happen because if I had the lights on, I didn't know what was gonna happen. Y'all heard here, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed, give a thumbs down if you did. 11 Natty Boosters, no behind the scenes.